be here today, but they did send me something that they wanted to read first. It's from Coach Melton, our previous baseball coach. He said, "It is a privilege to share some words on behalf of Landon Moore. As a junior, he led the team in slugging percentage, tied for the home run lead, and was second on the team in batting average. Defensively, he pitches with velocity while reminding me of Rick Vaughn in Major League.
Sterling's going to get a great soccer player, but even a better person. Treats everyone with respect. He makes everyone feel welcome. And I just want to thank you, Lincoln, for what you've given the soccer program, what you have for welcoming to me. And I think Sterling's going to be a great person, like I said, a great person and a great soccer player.
Next is Coach Buzz to talk about Cash and Cooper.
Well, most of you watch Cash on Friday nights. You see all the 70-yard runs. You see the explosive plays. But what you don't realize is the work that's gone into it. Him being here at 6 a.m., running routes by himself, on the track, getting faster. He's in the weight room. He's consistently working to get better. Cooper, you have always been someone young kids have looked up to because of how you carry yourself. For the last 4 years, if you were going to beat Elizabeth, you had to stop Cooper Connelley. While many teams tried, not many have succeeded. If teams had a stacked box to stop Cooper, he'd do whatever he can to make his other team successful. And he'd cheer them on and couldn't be more happy as he watched them succeed.
At this time, we signed the letter of intent. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it one more time for these four young gentlemen. Congratulations.